Welcome to the AM briefing preparing you to trade live in our Emini trading room at microstrader.com. Well, yesterday was just fantastic. And today is Happy CPI Tuesday. So we will see what the day presents. We will be live on Zoom before the CPI candle. So on Sunday, we sat down and drew some levels together. And did they bounce? Yeah, they bounced. And in fact, on our Zoom, we basically called out 3 trades: long here, short here, long here, day done. Boom, boom, boom. 3 shots, 3 kills, you're done. And so yesterday was it was fantastic. It was fantastic. I missed this long by a tick. This was my winner. This is the one that made my juice and went long here, and this just added, and it was fantastic. Just a beautiful day. And then in the afternoon, there's no way I'm going to trade the afternoon the day before CPI, but just another gorgeous bounce. I hadn't even really looked at the charts this morning in any kind of detail because it doesn't matter. Today is CPI. Today is clean your chart day. It's just delete lines day, and you get to start over, for lack of a better word. So it doesn't matter 100% except staying out of the way. And for people who are thinking about joining our group, look at those lines bounce. It was great because last night I was sitting with my wife, and I was looking at the charts. I said, hey, watch this. And I drew a line, and in fact, it was this bounce here. It was this bounce here, right here. Here and down. I said, that's what we do. And she was like, wow, that's so cool. Actually, I'm wrong. It was this bounce. Because it went a little against me, and then it came in really nice. So that was nice. This is a level we drew on our chart Sunday night as well. We can remove that. And so what happened overnight here? London has taken out Asia's high and low. Some fairly nice candles intermixed in there. Let's pull this thing into a tighter chart where we can see the RTH with it. So we're stacking on top of yesterday's high at this moment. We're, of course, gapping higher. The RTH low was this level we drew Sunday night. And you're going to want to make sure you draw in half back. I drew in the POC here from yesterday. I didn't mark it, but that's what that blue line is. And we're going to see what happens today. I don't have any more for you than you got to let the dust settle, and then you trade what you're presented. It's a perfect day to trade smaller, because if you're right, you can be really right.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.